There is something we call conjugate sort. I repeat, conjugate sort. Now we'll talk about conjugate sort. I would say conjugate sort is more or less like an inverse. For example, if I have a plus b root c, a plus b root c, the conjugate sort of a plus b root c is a minus b root c. A minus b root c is the conjugate sort of this, so vice versa. So meaning that this changes to this and this changes to this. So now take for instance, we are having a question like this: 1 over 1 minus root 2. To solve this question, actually there is something I need to do, and what I need to do is what we refer to as rationalization. So rationalization simply means, or let me say, it deals with denominator. So dealing with denominator will automatically has to do with the conjugate sort of that denominator. So for example, if I have 1 over 1 minus root 2, then the solution will go like this: 1 over 1 minus root 2 times, because that is what I have to do. So the conjugate sort of this denominator will change to 1 plus root 2. So that 1 plus root 2 will now be used to multiply both numerator and denominator. 1 plus root 2 divided by 1 plus root 2. And let's multiply it out. Let's see what we get. This times this, that is 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times plus root 2 is root 2. All over 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times plus root 2 is plus root 2. Minus 2 times minus root 2 times 1 is minus root 2. Minus 2 root 2 times plus root 2 is minus 2. So automatically this is plus and minus, they cancel out each other. So I have 1 plus root 2 as the numerator, and I have 1 minus root 2. So I'm going to have 1 plus root 2 divided by, difference of this is minus 1. So my answer can be like this, or minus 1 in bracket of 1 plus root 2. Thank you.